Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to get verified on TikTok. Before you get started, please subscribe YouTube channel. So first of all, you need to open up TikTok application and get in profile. Then I tap on this three lines button, settings and privacy and management account. And here I first of all need to switch my account to business account because personal account are not getting verified. Here I can read any information about what business account is and then I tap next. And I need to choose a category for my account. For my business, I will tap on let it be personal broke next. I got the message and I just skip it and go back to settings and privacy. And here I look for a report a problem. Here it is, separate section. Next I will tap on this icon and tap on write. And here I can make a feedback from TikTok application. And here I just write this text. Dear TikTok team, I am a social content creator and I will be very nice if I can get a blue badge. On TikTok, you can take exactly the same text and you can write any text you want and just ask TikTok team to get you a blue badge and tap on report button and that's it. Within 24 hours, we will get a message from TikTok team and they may ask us for some details and then we will get a blue badge and get your social all blue verified ID. It's quite simple and easy and now you know how to get verified on TikTok. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.